Good evening. This is Harshit, your tech host, back with all that is new in this emerging tech world. Google has introduced a new feature in Android 14, QPR1, that allows users to maintain open apps when the Pixel Fold is folded. Presently, only Google Maps and full screen videos transition between the inner and outer displays when folding the device. The new QPR1 beta permits users to keep the fold unlocked after folding, addressing the challenge where most apps don't transition from the inner to the outer display. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 offers a similar setting. Continue apps on cover screen in one UI, allowing users to choose which apps remain unlocked on the outer display when folding. Users can access Google's new Continue using apps on fold setting under Settings display. Next up we have Google has unveiled app archiving via the Play Store to manage smartphone storage efficiently. The current feature allows for automatic archiving of unused apps, potentially saving up to 60% of storage space. While users cannot manually archive apps at present, there is speculation about Google enabling this feature. Tinkerer Assemble Debug suggests that manual app archiving is technically feasible but currently hidden behind a feature flag pending Google's decision to make it accessible. Google initially rolled out the auto app archiving feature for users nearing their storage limits but has since added a toggle in the Play Store apps settings for users to enable the feature irrespective of their storage status. Artificial intelligence has been employed to create captivating images illustrating Mumbai's buildings seemingly suspended in the air, providing a glimpse into the city's housing issues. These images, generated using Midjourney, depict modern buildings with unique designs floating above Mumbai's urban landscape. Internet users have lauded these hyper-realistic images, describing them as cool and awesome. Mumbai, known for its high accommodation rental cost, faces increased competition for rental properties and rising rental prices. The images have garnered praise for their innovative concept and potential impact on the city's housing market. Next up we have Oracle has allocated $4 billion towards the development of AI and machine learning technologies to enhance its applications and cloud infrastructure services. During Oracle Cloud World 2023, the company introduced innovative AI solutions targeting industries such as healthcare and customer service. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure underpins Fusion financials, applications, database technology and innovations, positioning Oracle in competition with Microsoft, AWS and Google. The company distinguishes itself in the cloud industry through its focus on security and collaboration with industry leaders like AWS, Azure and Google. Amazon has announced significant upgrades for its next generation Echo and Fire TV devices, including the integration of a new LLM powered generative AI model that enhances Alexa's capabilities. These AI features are available for older Echo devices, extending their capabilities. The new AI model utilizes both verbal and non-verbal cues to make Alexa conversations more personalized and reduce latency. Alexa can now support rich conversations by leveraging various sensors on Echo devices to deliver natural sounding responses. This enhancement enables Echo devices to handle complex routines with voice input and offer personalized content with context improving over time. Amazon introduced new Alexa features including Eye Gaze on Alexa, designed to assist people with mobility or speech disabilities in using the voice-controlled assistant with their eyes. Eye Gaze will be accessible later this year on the Fire Max 11 tablet at no additional cost. Amazon also highlighted call translation, a feature that will enable automatic translation of Alexa calls through on-screen captions in over 10 languages, making communication more accessible. Eye Gaze relies on state-of-the-art computer vision models to process data in real time, enhancing accessibility. At last, Accenture has made an investment in Writer, a platform that enables businesses to integrate generative AI into content creation, enhancing productivity and brand integrity. Writer empowers organizations to drive significant business impact across various functions such as support, HR, sales, and marketing. This investment underscores Accenture's commitment to AI-powered solutions, enabling clients across industries to create, personalize, and distribute content efficiently while upholding Brand integrity. Writer allows organizations to implement generative AI use cases tailored to their specific workflow requirements, incorporating proprietary data and adhering to style and brand guidelines. The collaboration between Accenture and Writer marks a significant milestone in advancing the role of generative AI in shaping the future of content creation and enterprise productivity. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news.
स्कैम 2003 जैसे हर्षद मेहता का स्कैम था। इस सीरीज के बारे में बात करते हैं जिसमें अब्दुल करीम तेलगी की पूरी ये सीरीज से हमें पता चलता है कि कैसे एक फ्रूट सेलर बना है इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा स्कैमर। उसने फ्रूट सेलिंग का काम बंद कर दिया और वो मुंबई चला गया। मुंबई में उसने ट्रैवल एजेंसी खोली और वो लोगों को कल भेजता था। ये चीज बहुत जल्दी पुलिस के सामने आ गई और उसे जेल में डाल दिया गया। उसकी वहां पे मुलाकात हुई राम रतन सोनी से। उसने आइडिया दी स्टैम्प पेपर के स्कैम के बारे में, बताया कि ये फैक्ट्री, आप इस फैक्ट्री को ले लोगे तो यहाँ पे आप इतने सारे प्रोडक्शन हाउस बना सकते हो। पूरे 30,000 करोड़ का स्कैम कर दिया। ये 30,000 करोड़ का स्कैम है। जब ये सामने आया तो 2001 में इनको जेल हो गई। इनकी जेल होने के बाद 2017 तक ये जेल के अंदर थे, उनकी डेथ हो गई वहाँ पे और ये सीरीज बाहर आ गई। तो आपको भी कैसी लगी सीरीज जरूर कमेंट करके बताइएगा। और जिन लोगों को स्कैम 2003 के बारे में शॉर्ट में जानना है तो इस वीडियो इनके साथ जरूर शेयर करिएगा। मिलते हैं नई वीडियो के साथ। फॉलो IT शॉर्ट्स फॉर मोर।